To clean the underside of the print head, the M3 lockdown screws on each side of the printer will have to be removed. Now that those screws are removed, the printer front edge can be lifted up, and using a microfiber cloth, wipe the underside of the ski. Slide the printer back, ensuring the leveling adjustment screws locked back into the plastic guides. Reinsert the lockdown screws before operating. The exit cover can now be reinstalled. Using the same 6 screws that you removed earlier, attach the exit cover. This completes this segment of the video.